In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add add-ons on Square Appointments. While Square Appointments doesn't include a dedicated add-ons feature the way some booking platforms do, you can still create a smooth experience by using services, variations, and time settings to mimic optional extras. I'll show you exactly how to set that up and what to expect. First, think of your add-ons as services. In your Square dashboard, head to Items and Services and open your service library. Every service in Square has a defined price and duration, so create a clear, standalone service whenever an add-on needs its own time and fee. Name it in a way that makes sense to customers, like Deluxe Treatment plus 15 Mintage, and write a short description that explains what's included. Set the correct duration and price, and make sure it's bookable online if you want clients to select it themselves. If your add-on is really just a different version of an existing service, say a basic option and a premium option, you can use variations. Variations let you offer different price and duration versions under one service. This keeps your booking page tidy and helps customers choose between, for example, standard facial and facial plus extra 15 minutes. Be sure the variation names are clear and the durations match the time you actually need. Next, consider situations where the add-on changes your calendar needs. If the add-on always takes extra time, use the built-in time tools on each service. Add processing time when you need downtime within the service, such as when a client is processing and you could potentially start another task. Or block extra time after the appointment when you need cleanup, reset, or buffer time that shouldn't be bookable. These settings help you avoid overbooking and keep your day realistic. Because Square doesn't support true optional add-ons at checkout, manage expectations on your booking page. Use service names and descriptions to tell customers exactly what they're choosing, including the extra time and cost. Consistent naming helps staff and clients recognize what to book. Keep your service library organized, and archive old versions if you update your offerings to reduce confusion. Finally, test your booking flow as a client would. Make sure the right services and variations are visible, that durations are accurate, and that any processing or buffer time behaves the way you expect. With these tools, clear services, smart variations, and thoughtful time settings, you can effectively simulate add-ons in Square Appointments and keep your schedule running smoothly.